Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to see if we can remove some light scratching and marks from the back of my car. So what we're going to try and do is use some of these more common products that you can buy just straight off the shelf, including super resin polish from Auto Glim, as well as Auto Finesse's Triple, to see if these can do the job. So these products aren't dedicated polish or compounding type products. They tend to do several things, like even fill in some of the scratches, as well as polish or compound, and potentially lay down a layer of wax too. Not sure if you can hear that, but my nail is just catching on these scratches, or some parts of the scratches. Now these are definitely just in the clear coat, but this mark here has definitely gone through that into the base coat, and this one here, similar story. So those two are going to be much harder to remove, and I don't think we're going to be able to do that without actually applying some colour to the bumper. So the first thing I'm going to do is just gently clean the area, just with some citrus spray that I've got. So I'm going to use SRP first, obviously making sure it's shaken properly, and I'm just going to use as well a clean microfiber applicator pad. Well, that's a good start, isn't it? We'll clean it up in a minute. I'm going to do the same with Triple, apart from try not to spray it everywhere, of course. But I'm also going to use the other side of the applicator pad. And I'm just going to buff off with a buffing towel. So after the first application, certainly this first scratch is clearly visible. The second one, I actually think slightly less so. Why don't we swap things over and use SRP this side, and we'll use Triple on the other. Now what I'm going to do is use another product called Car Pro Eraser, and what that's going to do is just remove any of the fillers that the polishes have applied. And basically what that means is you might find that the scratches get worse. So I think this scratch here is still pretty visible, perhaps slightly more than before after clearing off the fillers, and you can still see just here, hopefully you can still see just here the other scratch, but that still is much better than this one. So if we can't remove that type and that level of scratching with these type of products and this standard microfiber pad, what can we do, and can it even be done? So let's change this up a little by using some intensive polish from Menzerna, and this does have a reasonably heavy cut and doesn't have any glazes or fillers or any other waxes or protectants in it. It is a dedicated polish. Well, there is definitely progress. Even that intensive polish isn't quite getting the job done by hand. As this is taking quite a long time, can we use this machine polisher with a medium foam pad and go back to one of the original polishes and see if that combination actually can speed things up? And I know I'm being picky, but this one, still, I can see it. So as good as all these products are, and they are, but they're meant for different things, potentially at different times. And I think this is a classic case of trying to use the right tool for the right job. Let's just give it one more try though. So after a couple of sets with the polishing machine and the right polish and the right pads, and I did use an additional pad which is a more aggressive pad, which is the purple flex pad, then it's gone and resolved very, very quickly, to the point now I can hardly see it, and I can only just see it if I'm really, really close to the rear bumper. The only way to improve upon that would be to wet sand it, but that is complete overkill for what we've got here. So all that's left for me to do now is finish cleaning my polishing pads. Thanks very much for joining me. Please join me again soon, back on the channel with some more videos.